Welcome to DEMOPHYSICS. Our topic is about density. For our objectives, at the end of the video, you must be able to know the principle regarding the density ρ equals m over v, which is density is equal to mass per unit volume. Know the effect of liquids having different densities which are combined together. And show that object that has lower density goes up on the objects that have a higher density. For our demonstration, we are going to make a 9-layered density tower. Here's what you'll need. Measure out equal amounts of these liquids: lamp oil, rubbing alcohol, vegetable oil, water, dishwashing liquid, milk, maple syrup, corn syrup, honey. Use food coloring to color the water and the rubbing alcohol. For solids: ping pong ball, bottle cap, board game die, sun popcorn kernels, and metal bolt. Let's start. Carefully pour the honey, then the corn syrup, then the maple syrup in a tall container. Don't let the liquids touch the sides of the container while pouring. Now, using a syringe or a dropper, pour the following liquids in the container in order: milk, dishwashing liquid, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, and the lamp oil. After letting the liquid layer settle, you'll notice that they remain in the order you poured them into the cylinder, and that they are clearly distinguishable from each other. Take the various small objects and drop them into the column. Drop them in the following order: metal bolt, popcorn kernel, board game die, soda cap, ping pong ball. How does it work? The same amount of two different liquids will have different weights because they have different masses. The liquids that weigh more have a higher density and will sink below the liquids that weigh less that has a lower density. What is density? Density is defined as mass per unit volume. The formula for density is expressed as ρ is equal to m over v. The SI units for density are kilogram per cubic meter. The US units are slugs per cubic foot. Based on the equation, if the weight or mass of something increases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go up. Likewise, if the mass decreases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go down. Lighter liquids, like water or rubbing alcohol, are less dense than heavy liquids, like honey or maple syrup. The same goes for the small objects that you drop into your density column. The metal bolt is more dense than any of the liquids in the column and therefore sinks directly to the bottom. Less dense objects will float on individual layers of the column. To have some practice, you may try these problems. The answers are available to check your work. Thank you for watching DEMOPHYSICS.